Hey, everybody that's doing Ed Tech in the Ben live. We are using StreamYard. If you've never used it before, it is amazing and simple. And well, that's all you really need to know. But I'll show you some other things. I will send you a link a week before you present, and it will send you to what you're looking at now. So it'll show you that your mic's working, your camera, things like that. It'll give you a display. So, of course, you can put your name or your Twitter or MySpace, whatever you want to do. Then you can enter your studio and it will look something like this. So you can send me private messages because it'll only be you and I. And then you can see comments coming in from our Facebook page and our YouTube. I want to hit this right here so you'll see yourself. Once we have multiple people on it, we can hit this and then we'll be side by side. And then you can also do like this where it'll share your screen. So I'll do all of that. But when it's your turn to share your screen, you can do this and it just gives you some suggestions. Using the Chrome tab works best. And then you hit share screen. And of course, you do it just like you do Zoom and Hangouts and all that jazz. And then all of a sudden, you start pulling up your slides. Here we go. And you can go through your slides, and once they come up, there we go. You can go through them, and then it will play some audio if you have video on there. Just want to give you a heads up. All right. All right, just want to give you a heads up. If you are using earbuds, the sound doesn't work as well as if you just don't use them. So, or if you just have a mic. So you can see I don't have mine, but I will be using my mic on that day. And I can also, as comments come in, I can hit show so they show up right here on the bottom line. I will link in this email an example of what we did just the other day. So you can kind of see it in action. Everyone I've talked to has loved StreamYard, and so I hope you do too, and I hope this is super easy. One last thing, when you get this link to the StreamYard, please don't share that link out with people because, first of all, we can only have 10 people in here, but we're only going to have one presenter at a time or a couple of presenters at a time for our panel. And everyone else, all of the attendees, can watch this through YouTube and our Facebook page. Thank you so much for presenting from myself and the EdTech and the Ben team. And we cannot wait to get this thing rocking and rolling starting July 27th. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.